Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about ing and ed. That where we use ing and where ed. We use ing when we are going to describe something or someone, and ed is used for how someone feels. Here we see some examples. This is an interest idea. This is an interesting idea or interested idea. We are going to describe an idea. So here we use interesting. I am interested in your idea. I am interested or interesting. Here how I am feeling. So here I am used interested. They are shocked by the accident. It means how they feel. So here we use shocked. The trip was exciting. Here we are going to describe about the trip. So we use here ing. The trip was exciting. She is excited about the trip. Here how she feels. So far we use here D. She is excited about the trip. The music is very relaxed. Here we are going to describe about the music. So far we are going to use here ing. The music is very relaxing. You are very relaxed. It means how he feels. So we use here ed. You are very relaxed. Hope you get it, guys. Thank you so much.